75 degrees at 10 a.m. It's gonna hit 83 degrees today here in Nebraska. Yes! I think we have finally hit the good time of year to travel. This is gonna be the hottest day of the year for me. Things are turning around. I put the buddy heater away. It's stored up top in the bunk area. So I'm gonna break camp today. No more service for about 500 miles. So paper maps and books and stuff. Lots to explore in Nebraska, guys. Come along with me. Let's have a good day. Now we're leaving Olive Reservoir here. I am gonna miss this campground so much. It was a great campground. It was a great welcome to Nebraska. I love it, and I will use it again later. I got the microphone running here. I don't know if audio is going to be any better in this video. It's been horrible in the past. I'm trying to fix it, but I've had problems with this situation too, with clicking sounds and stuff. So what do you guys think? Is my driving narration a little better than usual? Let me get up to speed here. There's 60 miles an hour. Hopefully the audio is a little bit better. Here's a train over here. This is the one I've been hearing at the campground non-stop. He even blows his air horn at night. I guess you have to. It's the law in some streets that have the train tracks. So, all right, we will get on the road. We're going to stay on Lincoln Highway pretty much most of the day, unless I get kicked off it or it closes and pushes me back on the interstate. First of all, not the red, white, and blue lettering that we're used to, but there is at least a sign that says Lincoln Highway. It's just kind of plain and... But hey, this is the original, okay, this is the original stretch, so that's kind of cool. And across the street, along with all the farm equipment, anybody know what that is right there? Got to go back in time a little bit. Remember the drive-in movie theaters? Yeah, that is the screen from one of the old drive-in movie theaters that has been abandoned here in Kimball, Nebraska. We're gonna pull in here real quick because something is sticking up out of the sky here at Goatee Park. We'll find a place to park and we'll show you this. Now, of course, there's absolutely nothing wrong with building a nice family park. And here in Kimball, they have 2,600 residents. So they have Goatee Park, however you pronounce that. Maybe the E is silent. It's a great little park. The thing that makes it a little weird is that in the middle of the park, there's a frickin' nuclear missile. Yes, that's a nuclear missile behind me. We're all worried about air quality and everything. How about the nuclear missile effects on kids in the park? No? And where's the top? I can't believe it. It's closed. I'm too late again. I'm using that book that I got that was published in 2007, and all these places that were available for us to visit are no longer open. I mean, this is a continuing theme, just like Route 66, but more so on Lincoln Highway here. This is changing every single year live. This would have been a great stop. Over 8 patties. Now that's a burger. Hoax Cafe for rent. I don't know, maybe one day it'll be back in business. Fresh made, homemade cooking. I mean, this looks like this was just opened last year. I barely missed this. It is crazy how quickly some businesses just abandon, leave, just scrap it and leave. That's so crazy. Well, I'm hungry though. Yeah, judge me, I don't care. I eat fast food about once a week now, and Wendy's is my favorite one to go to. Actually, Mary gave me the little thing at RTR for the free milkshakes with every purchase for Frosties. I get a little mini chocolate Frosty for free every time I come to Wendy's, and there are truck stops all over the place. I actually had to come back to the main highway because gas is like 50 cents a gallon cheaper on Highway 80 there instead of Lincoln Highway, but we're gonna go back to Lincoln Highway right after this. Just had to get gas and save about $20 basically. Anyways, also here in Ogallala, is that how you say it? Ogallala? Is some Lincoln Highway restored history here I want to show you. See, finally a nice one with the actual penny in it here. A Lincoln Highway marker here for the Boy Scouts and a restored gas station here on Spruce Street. There's the Lincoln Highway sign there telling you which way to turn. And here is the restored gas station. Now it's just a visitor center, but this was a historic stop on the Lincoln Highway here. Pretty cool, actually. So, let's follow their direction and continue on the Lincoln Highway. Well, at least this one's open. The front street, cafe, gift shop, and museum, but it's built like an old western town facade. I don't know what it looks like inside, but I think it's kind of cool on the outside at least. You know, to drag in that quirky guy like me to go check it out. Here we go, guys. So here's the inside. It's pretty much a bar. Stage up there probably has live music and stuff. Here's the bar. The stage room. Is that like a bathroom? No. And museum open. We are shooting right into the light, but this is the Undertaker. Look at that old hearse. That's pretty cool. An old piano. And here's the barber station. I have no idea why they're letting all the light come through behind everything, so you can't see it, but... Oh, jail. So the facades out front are kind of real, because it really is that inside. An old washing machine. Yeah, it's good for travelers there. That's the stove top I need. Look at that blue. That'll look great in Yoda. You think? Yeah. I like that. Okay, kind of a tourist trap, but they still had some pretty cool stuff in there. No magnets. Like, I had to ask. No magnets. We sell these $50 coffee cups. Porcelain doesn't work good on the road, guys. So, back on the road we shall go. By the way, place I'm going to next, the Sutherland Reservoir. If it has anything to offer, like the first reservoir in Nebraska, then I am excited about another free campground here in Nebraska. You just keep putting reservoirs in Nebraska, fine by me. Sutherland Reservoir, North Shore Recreation Area. Welcome golfers, overnight campers, register and pay. Hey. Well, I just checked in at the reservoir and we did get some misinformation. She says it's always been $10 a night to camp on the beach. So, see right here, beach camping, pay at clubhouse, campers 10, tents 7. No hookups down here for $10. I don't know. I'm already here, so, yeah. I know camping on the beach frightens a lot of people. Like me, guys, don't worry. I don't go into soft sand anymore. Padre Island being the last time I camped on the beach. Now that right in front of me, do not drive an RV through there, okay? But we're gonna turn left, probably hit some of these branches, that's okay. Crunch, and it's just cleaning the solar panel. And I don't mind camping right here with that view. Yeah. I know I gotta get my hood fixed. Once I get parked for a couple days and I can take it somewhere, I'm gonna take it off, have it sanded, repainted. We're gonna get a good start. But this is my view right here on the Reservoir Lake, which is pretty nice. Camping on the beach for $10 a night, I think that's a good deal. And I got hang on, there's a lot of black ants around my RV here. Oh no, they're carpenter ants. See them going up the tree? There's carpenter ants everywhere. Bugs and spiders and stuff don't bother me, but carpenter ants, they literally eat RVs. They eat wood for a living. Okay, I'm gonna move. Maybe, I think I'll just park a little bit farther down here in a different spot, because they obviously like that tree. Okay, I moved. No ants now. I'm a little bit farther away from the water, but that's just not something I'm gonna play around with. This place is nice, and something I have done since I have traveled around, since I started travel actually, is always carry along a 7-iron in the RV. How many times have I used that 7-iron? Since we're staying in a golf course, I'm gonna rent a bucket of balls up there and work on my swing. Yeah. But I must say, Nebraska has treated me well. Today is just muggy and warm, not a whole lot of sunshine this second half of the day, but It's plenty warm. Plenty to enjoy. So let me set up a few things real quick. Feed Jax. Go hit some balls. Jax, did you stock up? Yeah, you did, huh? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Sandy, come here. Come on. He's like, what? Dad, I'm not wearing a harness. I'm not even wearing a harness, Dad, really? Yeah. Meow. Who are you mowing at? There you go, just eat some grass. Yeah, cooking. There you go, buddy. I'm actually not even going to take the motorcycle off the back. I'm just going to walk today because I'm only going to be here for one day. There's no reason to mess with everything. You're going crazy over that? It's a pipe cleaner. Is it really that interesting? I pay for all these special cat toys and everything, and you play with a pipe cleaner. Yeah, Dad. All right, it's been a while. Let's go golfing. Actually, you know what? I could tin cup it. I could tin cup 18 holes with the 7-iron. Good. Dum 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 dum. Walk to the driving range. Pfft, I'm gonna take a cart. Ain't got no time for a motorcycle. I'm in a golf cart. Woohoo! Let's go jump something. Most important part of the day. Boy, I'm just a walking advertisement for Bud Light. First, we're going to work on our Happy Gilmore. Go to your home! Go to your home! Well, golfing may not be my thing, but there are other things in life to excel at. Line drive. It's a bad club. Well, I played with their balls. Now I'm gonna play with my balls on the beach. That's all that's left now. That's probably not gonna make the cut. Oh, it's windy out here. Woo! All right, well, I put my toes in at least, and now I'm freezing. Go back to 80 degrees outside here. I like this place though. $10 a night. You can stay here for a month for 300 bucks right on the beach, a safe spot. I don't need hookups, water, anything. I'm good for 14 days now. Now I'm sitting here trying to edit the video, and you can see where Jax lays. He has a beautiful, nice, comfy, plush bed, but no, he has to take up that tiny spot between me and the bed. But he's smart about it, because he knows I have to keep getting up to get a drink, or to go to the bathroom, or to do something, so he gives me a little bit of room right there. I'll show you how I have to squeeze in. I squeeze in, and then I move his back paws. His tail can stay back here, but he likes to keep his butt right up against my leg. So he'll fall asleep while I'm working, right? So I'll be editing video, he'll fall asleep, but I can't sneak away without him knowing because he's literally touching my leg all the time. He always knows. So I get up. He's wide awake because his legs move. He knows. He's precious, but I mean, if I was a cat, I'd use this, right? It's all good, man. I love you too. I'm happy to share the couch with you. I'm taking an editing break real quick. I'm going to put a pizza in the oven, you know, because you don't get this body without Bud Light and DiGiorno's pizza. It doesn't come natural. You got to make this body. Anyways, despite the fact that it cost a little bit of money to stay here, I really, really like this place. And usually it's the opposite. For some reason, as I've kind of shared with you guys, the best places in the country are usually free. If it costs money, it's not this good. It's not. If it costs money, then they're gonna pack you in as tight as possible and you're gonna be staring at somebody else's RV, not the beach. Just the way it goes. But in this case, they have some different options. Up on the hill, up here, for $25 a night, they have full hookup spots away from the beach, up on the concrete. So the $10 nah stuff that they have down here is, don't tell them, but it's better if you don't need hookups. So anyway, I'm only staying here one night. Jackson and I are getting right back on Lincoln Highway tomorrow and heading a little bit farther east to an even better campground. My next video is going to be a gem. You guys have a great day and night. Jackson, I'll see you on the road in a couple days. Bye-bye.